How to delete TikTok account. If you want to delete TikTok account, here's what you need to do. Open TikTok app on your phone. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Click on triple line at the top right. And then click on settings and privacy. And click account. And click deactivate or delete account at the bottom. And click delete account permanently. Choose the reason why are you leaving TikTok. And then click continue. So that's all the tutorial on how to delete TikTok account. Hopefully it's easy to do, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.